How's it going? In this video I'm going to show you how to convert HEIC to JPG in Samsung phone. I'm also going to be showing how to automatically change the settings in your camera, so stick around for that. So first of all, I'll show you how to convert it. You just come to Google, type in HEIC to JPG and come down and open up the freeconvert.com website. So from here you just choose the file and then photos and videos, and then select the photo you like to convert and then press convert. This will upload and then you can just download it onto your phone as a JPG. So that's it, done. We'll hit download, and if we open up the phone, open up the photo, it will be saved as a JPG. As you can see, it's now saved as a JPG. So to stop this from happening in the future, you want to come to your camera app. So press and hold it and tap the eye at the top right, and then come into your camera settings, and you want to come down to high efficiency pictures and turn that off. So that'll stop it from automatically being a HEIC photo. That's how to convert HEIC to JPG in Samsung. Thank you for watching.